The Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. Its original casing stones were polished white limestone, making it gleam like a jewel in the desert sun. The precision of its construction is astonishing. The sides are aligned almost perfectly to true north. Each stone block weighs around 2.5 tons, but some exceed 80 tons. Historians still debate the exact methods used to lift these colossal stones hundreds of feet high. The internal temperature of the Great Pyramid remains a constant 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees F, mirroring Earth's average temperature. It contains 3 known chambers: the King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and the Subterranean Chamber. The pyramids were not built by slaves, but by skilled laborers and artisans, often paid and respected. More than 100 pyramids exist in Egypt, but the Giza complex is the most famous. Even today, these ancient wonders hold unsolved secrets, defying our understanding of their creation.